a beach day.
Yay! Beautiful out.
It is beautiful out. Not as sunny as we'd like.
A little windy.
So what do we pack here, Sarah? Cashew butter, almond butter. Got smoothies. Got some Larbar, turmeric, ginger, and beet bars. We got 4 of those. And we got some apples as well, which we're gonna dip in our butters.
Did we bring a knife?
We did.
Should kick it way back to the place we come from. Can you feel the beat walking down the street to the blacktop where we used to run? On the playground like a soldier, dreaming of days of getting older, just being alive on a natural high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on everybody, let's hit the floor. 6, 7, 8. Let me see your body shake.
Buddy, he likes you, babe. Come here. You're a nice doggy. Yeah. We're just chilling in the sun. You tired? What do you have to say for yourself?
I like this outdoor time.
Mini break from the beach. We're at home. Today's July 15th. Look at all these blueberries. 25 pounds. How excited are you to have 25 pounds of berries?
Really excited. We don't get these fresh, local, organic blueberries all year round.
A little expensive, but absolutely delicious. Apologize if it's dirty on the camera. This camera looks dirty. Better clean it. So comment in below, how long do you think this will last us? One hint, this is my absolute favorite food in the world, blueberries. If I could eat one thing the rest of my life, it'd be blueberries. Sarah just threw a blueberry at me.
I'm trying to catch it.
Catch it in your mouth, can you? Here, tilt your head back more. Oop, that was a bad toss. One more, let's try one more. Oh well, we missed. We're not gonna waste these good blueberries on tossing. All right, how long do you think it'll last? My favorite food, Sarah loves them too. Will it last us a week, 6 months, a year? Comment below. Hey guys, so it's been a whole nother week and we're at another beach and we're just getting ready to have lunch. It's a different one. This is the Grand Haven State Park. So what we got? Our smoothies once again. What else we got, Sarah?
Blueberries.
We got 2 whole jars of blueberries. We got some dehydrated banana. We put them in for 10 hours and they're twice as delicious. And I got an apple over there. Sarah probably won't eat an apple. She doesn't have as big of an appetite. We still got something for dinner too. We'll show you that later. We're hungry though. We are at another beach now, aren't we, Sarah?
Yeah.
You've seen us film videos here before, actually. This is Tumblr Park. Some of our older videos are here where we're talking about topics, just trying to provide better scenery. That's when our microphone actually worked.
Yeah. It's nice outside here.
It is.
Come on, baby, dance with me. Dance with me. I wanna make you feel good. Hey. I wanna make you feel good. Hey. Wanna make you feel fine. Let you know that you're mine. Better believe you're the only one. You're the only one. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. Let's get down tonight. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of fun. A little bit of fun. Come on, turn the boombox louder. Pump it up till we wake up the neighbors. Just being alive on a natural high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on everybody, let's hit the floor. 6, 7, 8. Let me see your body shake. Come on baby, dance with me. Dance with me. I wanna make you feel good. Hey. I wanna make you feel good. Hey. I wanna make you feel like everybody, let's hit the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see your body shake. A, B, C, D. Come on, baby, dance with me. Dance with me. I wanna make you feel good. Come on, everybody, let's hit the floor. 5, 6, 7. Let me see your body shake. Come on, baby, dance with me. Dance with me. I wanna make you feel good. Hey. I wanna make you feel good. Hey. I wanna make you feel good. Alright. I wanna make you feel good.
Little mini break from the beach. So I got a smoothie place. It's got blueberries, almond milk, chia seeds, hemp seeds, vanilla and cinnamon. And then we got chocolate almond milk. Like a yogurt. Yeah, chocolate almond milk. With fruit toppings. It's pretty good, isn't it, Sarah? I haven't tried the smoothie yet. Really good smoothie. Chocolate almond milk and fruit toppings.
Probably a lot of sugar in that.
Yeah, it's probably a lot of sugar. We don't do this all the time. What else do we get, Sarah?
It's like a brownie.
A raw brownie. Looks good to me.
Yeah.
Then we got a date ball. Almonds, dates, coconut flakes, cacao nibs, vanilla extract. Hey guys, so we met Sarah and her family and her cousins for a rock concert. We got a salad here with tahini dressing. We got some squash over here. That's an apple in my hand. We brought a mango. We brought 2 oranges as well. We got a kiwi. There's a pear you see in the bottom of the screen. An avocado with our salad. And then again, that's beets and carrots for our main salad. And we got some leftover blueberries we had for dinner. And we had some sauerkraut. So good for probiotics and gut health.
She didn't remember it, but then she noticed it when she saw it. Dad doesn't have to be afraid of salt.
Boy, they must be growing their corn before they pop it.
Maybe he went to get his earplugs.
Guys, hopefully you can hear us with the wind. So we are going to end our vlog
Look at
here.
all the doggies.
Bunch of dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 dogs. So thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna end the vlog here. I think we're just gonna go back to our seats and
This video, thumbs up.
yeah, give it a thumbs
Subscribe to our
up.
channel if you haven't already.
You know, it's been about a whole year we've been on YouTube already.
It's great.
That 250 grams of protein I consumed, that was filmed almost exactly a year ago. I think it was later in July, early August. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Share this video with your friends.
We're going to go back to the Hawk Nelson concert. We just went for a bathroom break. It's been 1 year, and I like to think we're just getting started.
Yes, we have a lot to offer.
I like to think we're just scratching the surface of what this channel is truly going to become. I want to take it a lot further than what it's already
We got
done.
some serious plans coming up in our future.
Serious
Stay tuned.
plans. Stay tuned. Thank you guys. See you Sunday.
See ya.
Recipe on Sunday. Finally back to that. Bye bye.